Kasabay ng Filipino Heritage Month ngayong Hunyo ang ilang programang isinasagawa ng komunidad sa Canada. Sa British Columbia, isang workshop laban sa elderly abuse ang pangungunahan ng ilang grupo sa Vancouver. Kung bakit ito mahalaga, alamin sa report na ito. Elder Abuse Awareness Month ang Hunyo sa Canada.
But typically it's one of these things that is underreported generally because people don't really know what to look for. Seniors don't self-report, and it's often someone in the community, maybe a nurse, maybe, a friend or a neighbor who ends up being the one who sort of notices the first signs of elder abuse. And it can range from anything from, financial abuse to physical abuse. Also for the caregivers and people who, are around them in case, they want to know and be aware of what signs to look for.
Sa British Columbia, isang workshop ang isasagawa ng Filipino BC kaagapay ng Seniors First BC para sa komunidad upang ipalaganap ang kanilang legal advocacy at crisis support system.
Running these programs with Collingwood Neighborhood House for the last 2 years really tailored to temporary foreign workers and caregivers. And then we got funding from the Law Foundation, and this is just an extension of sort of this programming to try and reach people in our community where we know that there are gaps in sort of what services are available or even how to access those services. The caregiver program that separated families from children and the dynamics around family reunification. This event is really about creating a safe space where people in our community are able to access this information and just feel comfortable asking these questions.
Ayon sa Executive Director ng Filipino BC na si Christina Corpin-Moser, nag-umpisa raw ito bilang kitchen program para sa mga nahihiya o nahihirapan lumapit para makakuha ng suporta. Layon daw nilang matukoy ang risk factors ng pang-aabuso at ng social isolation.
There are cultural dynamics. Also, sometimes, there are interfamily dynamics where, a child is perhaps, in the role of an adult because their, English language skills are better, or any number of reasons. They might have financial control over a parent or a loved one. And so these are often found and underreported in Filipino and Asian communities.
Kaganapin ang libreng advocacy clinic para sa elder abuse sa Kusina Community Kitchen 2:00 ng tanghali sa 411 Senior Center sa Fraser Street sa susunod na Biyernes, June 26. Maaari rin daw tumawag sa 778-623-2030 para sa karagdagang detalye.